We're asked to evaluate this integral. So I'm going to use the general formula that's the integral of 1 over as squared plus bs plus c dx is equal to 1 over square root of b squared minus 4ac ln 2ax plus b minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2as plus b plus square root of b squared minus 4ac plus k, where b squared minus 4ac is greater than 0. So we use this when it's b squared minus 4ac is a positive number. So as you can see, therefore if you check minus 1 squared minus 4 times 3 times minus 2 will give us 25, which is greater than 0. So using our formula now, therefore the integral we are looking for 1 over 3x squared minus x minus 2 dx will now be 1 over 25. Yes, ln 2 times 3x plus minus 1, so minus 1 minus 25 over 2 times 3x. This, okay, minus because of the minus sign of 1 is minus 1 plus root 25. So this is 1 over 5 ln 6x minus 6 over 6x plus 4. So there's nothing like this. So if you can we can factor 6 here. So I have 1 over 5. Okay, let's 1 over 5 ln 6x minus 1 over, can factor 2 here, we are left with 3x plus 2 plus k. And 6 over 2 is a constant 3. And ln of a constant is constant, so it will add up to this constant. So the best answer is now 1 over 5 ln x minus 1 over 3x plus 2. So that's the answer. Let's check the option. So that's x minus 1. It seems nothing like that, but the answer is C, yes. Because remember, this is absolute value. Absolute value is always positive. So even if we factor negative sign here, 1 minus x, it will be positive because of the absolute value, yes. So the answer is option C. That negative sign will now be positive because of the absolute value. So the answer is option C. Let me now prove this, but you'll be surprised. Generally, integral of anything of this form is always either this. So the first one is when b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0, while this is when it's less than 0, while the final one is greater than 0. So we'll prove the last one because that's what the question, that's the category this one falls on. So let's prove it. So we are given integral of 1 over as squared plus bs plus c dx. Since it has a root that is greater than 0, it could be factored as ax minus r1 times x minus r2 dx as the integral, where r1, that r1, r2 are the roots, and we know root of a quadratic equation is minus b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So that's the roots. So I use r1, r2. So let's continue. if we factor 1 over 8, we are left with 1 over x minus r1. That's x minus r2 dx. And this will lead us to partial fraction decomposition. Yes. So this will decompose to, this is 1 over r1 minus r2 over x minus r1 minus 1 over r1 minus r2 over x minus r2. Yes, that's what it will decompose to. So no need of, how to solve partial fraction, I assume. So, we factor, so you can see we factor 1 over r1. So I have this. So I have integral of 1 over x minus r1 minus 1 over x minus r2 dx. So this is now 1 over a r1 minus r2 integral of this lane. So we have lane of x minus r1 minus, that's the absolute value, to avoid negative answer, minus lane x minus r2 plus k. So applying laws of logarithm, you can write this as x minus r1 over x minus r2 plus k. But if you could remember the roots, check the roots is now this. So r1 is for the positive, while r2 is for the negative. So let's now do r1 minus r2 plus r1 minus r2, because we're not giving r1, r2, we just assign the root to be that. So I have minus b plus square root of 4b squared minus 4ac over 2 minus this. So, as you can see, they have the same denominator. So this minus plus, so this is minus b plus b is 0. So we are left with minus times minus. So we have 2b squared minus 4ac, making it only square root of b squared minus 4ac over a. So we'll go back and substitute, therefore we'll continue. Now call this b squared minus 4ac over a. And the denominator is 1 over y ln x minus r1 is minus b plus with starts over 2a. Y the down is minus b minus that over 2a plus k. So we see that this is now equal to a. So we'll have 1 over with b squared minus 4ac ln of. So remove the denominator, multiply by 2a. So I have 2ax minus times minus, minus times minus b plus b, and that minus b squared 4ac over 2ax plus b plus that, which is what we use in solving the equation. So we are done. We've proved that. So we don't need to understand. If you can memorize it, it's better. Okay, that's what the formula. If you can memorize, is a plus. Or if you can't, you take your time and follow the process. That's this proof. Because that's what I did. Just follow it, factorize, do the partial fraction decomposition. So that's it. You still get the same answer. Thank you.